Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This year I joined to English course from Albi Majlis Muftiyan Karam. I joined this course to learn how to speak about Islam in English. Alhamdulillah, today I am very happy that I have completed my English course from Albi Majlis Muftiyan Karam. This institute not only English language teaches but also teaches good manners, confidence and moral values. I sincerely thank for all my teachers and organizers for their kindness and hard work. May Allah bless this institution with more success and barakah, and make us all helpful and beneficial for other through our knowledge. Ameen. Thank you very much.